Hi, welcome to the little cottage in the woods. You must be here for today's little cottage home tour. Oh, yes, thank you for taking your shoes off. I much appreciate that. It really helps to keep the dirt outside. And I am in the woods, so a little things like that goes a long ways. So this is my sunroom. It was originally just a porch with a roof over it, and I have been able to enclose it. I'm still working on one side of it, but out here I have a table where I usually either sometimes will eat breakfast here, or I'll bring my crafts out here to be creative, where I can have that view of nature, which is inspiring to me. And I also have this little cooktop stove here. It's a one burner that's hooked up to a propane, where, yeah, I usually do have this set up outside in my outdoor kitchen. But it's been windy and the weather, I don't have a covering yet over my outdoor kitchen, which is a project in the works. So, but welcome to my sunroom. I've been very happy and pleased to have these doors and this side finished, so the outdoor kitchen is right out this door too, so it's convenient. And of course I have some plants. Gotta have plants in my sunroom. And I really love how this green has turned out. It was a dark green originally, so I'm happy that I've been able to brighten it up out here, and I'm really happy and thrilled with this color of green. So this is my front door. I painted it purple, my favorite color. So let's take a look inside. So this is my indoor kitchen here, where I have all my dishes and all the food storage is inside. I have an inside sink that is not hooked up to a water source, so I just have a jug here as my water. I have an outdoor kitchen where I have an outdoor sink there where I do my dishes. So yeah, and here I have my coffee cups and teas, my mixer. On this side I have my breadboard where I knead and do all my bread works, and that just stays as it is, so that's like its area. So yeah, this is my indoor kitchen here. You can see I like the strawberry decor in a kitchen. So yes, I have strawberry towels, strawberry curtains, what else, little strawberry things, like one of these antiques. So yeah, if you ever want to get me a birthday present or a holiday gift, any kind of strawberry kitchen decor, that's where it's at for me. And yes, all the china here on the wall, these are collections that have been in my family for generations, heirlooms. So, and I'm going to still continue to fill in space with more art and more china and stuff like that. So, yeah. So this is my indoor kitchen. So this is my sitting area where I have a nice cozy rocking chair that I had found at an antique store, and my antique standing lamp here, as well as a little end table for setting my coffee or tea on. And I like to sit here in the mornings to enjoy, my coffee or tea time, and in the evenings when, just before bed, when I want to sit and relax and read a book or something. This is my spot. So it's summertime now, so I kind of switched the living room area around, where this is actually in the winter on the other side, where I have the wood stove, and the little couch that I have would sit over here. So I like to rearrange things just to keep the energy flow fluent through the house. This is my one bare wall that I have yet to hang pictures or artwork on. So I'm working on a really special piece that will actually take up a lot of space here. So I want to just keep it kind of clean for now. But yes, I have a vision and intentions for this white wall here. It's the wall that you see when you first enter into the cottage. So I want to put something nice and spectacular there, so it's a nice focal point. But I do have some more plates here on the wall. So yeah. Here's a sneak peek into my art and crafts supply room, where I can spread out my projects. Now let's move on to my favorite room in the cottage, my bedroom. So this is my bedroom, where I just feel like a real royal queen living in this space. I had purposefully designed and created this space for me to relax, where I can go take peaceful naps and just rejuvenate myself. So yeah, I've got this nice lovely organic cotton bedding, and these nice throw pillows, this beautiful back wall hanging, my little makeup table here. You can see I do put a towel over this because I have this thing with energy flow through a house, and especially in a bedroom. It's idea not to have a mirror facing your bed. Yet in this space, in this room, this makeup table, that is the only place that will really fit. So I came up with the solution to just hang a towel over the mirror, so that at night I'm not like dealing with my reflection is basically what that kind of tells. And also why I have my bed in this position. I have a window on this wall, and that wall would be parallel to the entrance of the door. So ideally you never want to place a bed under a window or on a wall where you're walking right into your bed. So it's a little feng shui. So yeah, that's pretty much how I came up with the design for this room, was to know that this is the wall where when you walk into the room, you're facing the bed and seeing the bed. So, and it's not under a window, and it's not on that side of the room. And if I had it on that side of the room, it'd just make it awkward. Even though on this side of the bed, there's a little space between the end of the bed and the wall and the closet, it works for me. And if I have any company over, that side of the bed is plenty of space for anyone to get, to have space to get into bed. So yeah, this is my bedroom here at the little cottage in the woods. Yeah, so this is my closet here. I hung this curtain here. There was doors that would open out, but for a tiny space, it just isn't, flowing with the energy to have such a small area and these doors having to accommodate for. So I took those off and hung a curtain here, which works great for me.